AK is a select fire rifle that works on the principle of returning gases. Besides iconic looks, it is also known for its reliability. Now let's move to our 3D model to see how it works. In front of us, we can see a model of AK47. To get a better look of what is happening inside during firing, we first need to make some parts transparent. This is one standard operating cycle of the rifle. Now let's look at it in detail. When you press the trigger, it releases a spring-loaded hammer which strikes the firing pin. That initiates the primer and ignites the charge. The explosion builds up the pressure and expanding gases push the bullet out at high velocity. When it goes past the gas block, some of the hot gases are vented up to the gas tube. When moving backwards, a groove engages a cam on the bolt, rotating it counterclockwise, which disengages the locking lugs, thus unlocking it. It moves back with the bolt carrier, extracting the empty casing from the chamber that is ejected out the right side. Recoil spring assembly stops the bolt carrier and moves it forward. When the bolt carrier passes the magazine, it strips a new round, pushes it in the chamber, engages the extractor and locks. Now the cycle is over and the rifle is prepared to fire again. The only difference between a single and full auto fire is that when you move the selector, it blocks the disconnector and prevents it from catching the hammer. That results in hammer falling after each cycle and firing a next round until you release the trigger. That concludes the operating system. A big thank you to World of Guns for letting us use their 3D animation of the AK rifle. But enough about the operating system. Let's now move on to the field strip.